Ever wondered how creators turn regular videos into stunning anime or unique art styles without being experts? What if I told you you could do it too, with just a few clicks? Imagine giving your videos a completely new look, whether you're a creator, business person, or just love experimenting with visuals. And the best part, it's all possible with LENSGO AI. LENSGO transforms videos into anime, cartoons, and more, and even lets you train your own AI for fully customized styles. Sounds cool, right? Let me show you exactly how it works. So, how does LENSGO actually turn your videos into anime or mind-blowing art? Let's dive in. LENSGO isn't just an editing tool. It's your AI-powered creative assistant, from video generation to style transfer and custom AI models. Its mobile version gives you more freedom to be creative anytime, anywhere. One of its coolest features is video style transfer. This tool lets you turn your videos into amazing art in just a few steps. Simply record a video on your smartphone wherever you are, no desk required, and upload it. Choose a style like anime or abstract art, and let the AI work its magic. No complex settings or training needed. LENSGO takes care of everything for you. All right, now that you know what LENSGO can do, let's actually try it out. And trust me, it's easier than you think. First, head over to the LENSGO website. Just click on the link in the description below. Sign in with Google or email. It's quick and easy. Hit start and you're in. Here's the best part. You get 100 free credits when you first sign up. That's a great way to test out the features. But if you need more, upgrade to unlock longer videos and advanced features by choosing any plan. Once you're signed in and on the dashboard, it's time to take the first step. Select the style transfer option. This is where the real magic happens. Now, this is where things get really fun. When you enter the style transfer section, you'll see two options pop up. Fast mode for quick high-quality style transfers, and custom mode lets you apply unique artistic styles with more control. Let's start with fast mode because, well, who doesn't love instant results? To get started, upload a video under 60 seconds and no larger than 100 megabytes. And heads up, LENSGO has some content restrictions, so make sure your video doesn't contain adult content, violence, or children, or it won't process properly. For this demonstration, I've uploaded a stock free clip. It's just a video of our legendary Mr. Bean. It's a great test case because it keeps things clear and easy to see. Now comes the exciting part. LENSGO offers different artistic styles, including Pixar, Lego, felt, dark CG, zombie, clay, comic, chrome, flat art, and more. Before we hit generate, LENSGO lets you fine-tune how much of your video gets transformed. Let me show you how. You can completely transform your video's look, whether you want to change just the characters or the entire scene. For this demo, I'm choosing Pixar, because who doesn't love Pixar's signature animation style? Next, choose how much of your video you want the effect to apply to. LENSGO lets you select from first 5 seconds to 18 seconds, or even full video if you're using it on laptop or PC. For this demo, we'll apply the effect to just the first 5 seconds for a quick preview. However, if you want to unlock longer edits and higher quality motion effects, the Pro version allows you to edit extended segments with more advanced features. Want even more customization? Use prompts to fine-tune the effect. Simply enter a phrase like Pixar style or any other style variation to get a more personalized result. Now it's time to fine-tune the effect. The style strength setting controls how much of the artistic transformation is applied. Want a soft, Pixar-like style? Go with normal style strength, or if you prefer a bold, heavily stylized effect, choose high style strength. It's all about finding the perfect balance for your video. Now that we've got the style strength set, let's take care of a few final touches to make your video look even more professional. Before you generate your final video, LENSGO gives you a couple of extra options to enhance your content. No watermark. It removes the LENSGO logo, making your video look clean and polished. Private mode. It keeps your creations hidden from others until you're ready to share them. If you're creating content for social media or professional projects, removing the watermark gives your video a more premium feel. Once your settings are locked in, hit Generate Video. This process costs 15 credits, but trust me, it's 100% worth it. In just moments, your video transforms into a Pixar-style masterpiece. And just like that, your video is transformed. You can now watch it in Pixar style, and while the faces might look a bit different, you'll instantly see the magic. It's a total game changer. But why stop here? The real fun is just getting started. With LensGo, you're not limited to just one look. You can recreate your video, test out different styles, or even download your masterpiece to share with your audience. Whether you want a cartoonish feel, a dark CGI look, or something completely unique, there are endless possibilities. Now, if you're looking for even more creative control, let's talk about custom mode. This feature lets you train your own AI models and create anime-style videos using custom images. Imagine designing a video with a style that's 100% unique to you. LensGo makes it possible. We'll talk about model training later in the video, but for now, let's see what custom mode can do and see what makes it special. Custom mode works just like fast mode, but with one big advantage: you can generate videos up to 60 seconds long. That means even more creativity and detail in your final result. Before you finish, there's one last step: setting the frames per second. FPS controls how smooth your video looks once the style transfer is applied. A higher FPS means smoother motion, while a lower FPS gives a more stylized frame-by-frame effect. For this demo, we'll stick with the default setting, but if you want an even smoother, more professional-looking animation, adjusting the Fs is a great way to enhance your final video. If you want full control over your AI-generated content, training your own AI model is the way to go. To get started, click on the 3 bars in the top left corner of the screen and select Training and Models. For this demonstration, we'll create a new model and name it Mountains to match our chosen theme. First, we need to select a base model. This determines whether the AI generates realistic, animated, or anime-style outputs. For this demo, we'll keep it set to real. Next, we'll upload 8 sample images to train the AI. These images help define the artistic style for future content. Once uploaded, the AI begins training the model, which may take some time. After it's ready, we can use our trained model to generate custom images or videos. For this test, we'll create an image using our mountains-themed model. We'll enter a prompt, select 2 samples, and click Generate. And here it is. The AI has successfully applied the mountain-like texture and sculptural appearance while keeping the subject's pose and details intact. An impressive transformation. Now, here's the real question. What's stopping you? What are you waiting for? Head over to LensGo by clicking on the link in description below, try it out, and start transforming your videos today. Imagine where you could be in 6 months, with a library of unique, eye-catching content that stands out from the crowd. Whether you're a content creator or just someone who loves experimenting, LensGo can take your creativity to the next level. And if you're serious about leveling up your AI content game, I've got something even better for you. Just check out my other video on I never show my face, but my videos always go viral, using Humva AI. It's packed with tips to help you make high-quality content using AI. Click here to watch. Try LensGo today and turn your ideas into stunning creations. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts below. What will you create next?